We've all been there staring at the ceiling, watching the hours slip away while the rest of the world sleeps. Insomnia isn't just about being tired, it affects your focus, your mood, and your long term health. When lifestyle changes aren't enough, short term pharmacological support can help reset your sleep cycle. Zolpidem is a widely prescribed sedative hypnotic medication designed to treat acute insomnia. Zolpidem works by enhancing the activity of GABA, a natural chemical in your brain that promotes relaxation. By slowing down brain activity, it helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, allowing your body to get the restorative rest it needs. To ensure safety and effectiveness, take Zolpidem only when you can dedicate a full 7 to 8 hours to sleep. Take it immediately before getting into bed. Avoid alcohol or other sedatives as they can increase the risk of side effects. Like all medications, Zolpidem may cause side effects. It is intended for short term use and should only be taken under the strict supervision of a healthcare professional. Don't let sleep remain out of reach. Speak with your doctor today to see if Zolpidem is the right step for your journey back to restful nights.